What's up, everybody? Jimmy D. Anyone can learn guitar, and the lick of the day. This is a cool lick that I came up with this morning. It's an open string country guitar lick in the key of E. So we're going to start on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string and hammer on to the 4th fret. First off, I'll do the lick for you. So we're starting on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, we hammer onto the 4th fret. Now the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and pull off. So it's, now we go to the 4th string on the 5th fret and slide up to 6th. Then the 5th fret on the 2nd string. So it's, and now on the 1st string, we hammer on from 3 to 4. Pull off from 5 to 3 to 0 on the 2nd string. So far it's, now we go to the 5th fret on the 4th string. 5, 4, 2, 0. So the whole thing again is, so again, starting on the 3rd string on the 3rd fret, we pull off from 3 to 0 on the 2nd string. It's a great lick because, you know, in the key of E, it's easy for us to get stuck in the minor pentatonic thing. So I'm always looking for licks that get me from the 1st position of the blues box to the 2nd position of the blues box, and this lick falls right in. I kind of flubbed it that time. Slow down, it's, this works great over like a country, train beat country in the key of E, like a, so again, it's always good to look for licks like this, like get out of the 1st position. Look for licks that get you from the 1st position to the 2nd position. It's kind of like the path less traveled, because as guitar players we fall into the visual aspect of it, and it's really easy to fall into patterns to where you just start playing stuff in the 1st position, you know, start playing the blues box. why I love licks like this. Anything that will get me from the first position to the second position. So I'm using a thumb pick, but you know, most guys flat pick, and that's cool too. Just go back and forth between the pick and the middle finger. So that's a country lick using open strings in the key of E. And I kind of, you know, a rule that I have is if I learn a lick, whichever way it goes, I'll make sure that I visualize the lick both ways. If I learn something going up, I will make absolutely sure that I know how to play it going down, and vice versa. If I learn it going down, I'll make sure I know how to play it going up. So a lick like this, you know. Don't get too stuck in playing it exactly the way that I'm playing. Just get the visual of those notes working. That's our lick for the day. A country lick in the key of E with open strings. Jimmy D for Anyone Can Learn Guitar. Hope everybody's hanging on to their sanity. Be kind to each other. Peace.